take up Palak? You know, what made you take up the show? We started that.
So you all have seen me playing different character on the television and the parda that we talk about, the that it's very small and we call it a television, yes. But then as an actor, when you grow, you have your own dreams and all. तो मुझे नहीं पता था ये एक दिन मुझे अपनी कहानी बता रही थी that I'm working on so and so project and one day I will be part of it. So it was very sudden. And when I read the script, the entire script is from the husband's point of view, and the script is very good, I will say, because एक तो पहली बात इसमें कुछ लोगों ने अपनी ही theory लगाई है, plus people are relating it to the actual Tandoor Kand that had happened in 1996, and जब मुझे भी पता चला तो मैंने भी पढ़ा, then I had my own knowledge about it, but there is nothing like that. Yes, it is, the story is something somewhat like that, but it's not the actual Tandoor Kand. We have just picked up a topic. Secondly, Palak, Palak was very interesting for me because as an actor, when you play, you only concentrate on your character. But then this time, for the first time, I have realized that the script is more important. The entire the entire web in this, every episode is so important. Every role, every character, every person, जैसे वो साहिल हो गया, पलक हो गया, and the best friend Ayaz हो गया. So they all are leading from one to another, and that is the reason I actually chose, because मुझे ऐसे लगा कि इनका भी debut है तो मेरा तो अच्छा हो ही जाएगा for sure.
Right, right. See, firstly, I think one of the things that I luckily had the chance to do, because this happened, we shot the show right after lockdown 1.0, 2020 version got over, right? So I'm like, I need to get into the physicality of the character because it was important, because he's not traditionally what one would say a good-looking guy, and I feel that also leads to a lot of insecurities and complexes, which then eventually you end up taking out on your partner, and that's what lends itself to the toxicity of the equation that the husband and wife share with each other, you know. So now it's not like getting into like a kurta pajama or a pair of jeans, right? When you have to gain weight or like kind of change your physicality for a project, it requires time, especially if you're trying to do it in as healthy a way as possible. So I went completely unhealthy. I had a lot of soft drinks. I would gulp down like a can of Milkmaid almost on a daily basis. Not hit the gym, not do any cardio. Very bad, not good, not recommended. But I think, as you can see, that dude at the back, I don't really recognize him anymore. Few months later, so yeah. So it was interesting, and I realized, because I've never drastically transformed myself physically, at least for a role. Of course, there's a lot of mental prep that goes in, but when you physically look different, you start performing differently, you start feeling differently, you start thinking differently. So I think that also lent a lot to the credibility of the story. Also because I portray this man during three specific stages of his life, you know. So it was interesting. And of course, losing weight after the show wrapped was quite difficult. Yeah. And that happened in December during holiday season. So yeah. Honestly, you know, I've heard many actors who I even look up to, and they've often said that you know, like somehow the character comes home with you and stays with you, and you know, like sometimes it haunts them for a lot of time to come. Luckily for me, I didn't face any problem. In fact, even while we were shooting and stuff, um, uh, you know, one may assume that on a project like that, the general vibe on set would just be very serious, but at some point after a show releases, I will put out some behind the scenes footage, and you will be like, guys, you'll actually had a blast making this, you know. So I feel if you get along with all the people you work with and the vibe is good, and you also understand like whatever you need to do is between action and cut, and uske baad you can have a good time, then it doesn't really affect you. Also, the thing is, I know that whatever I'm portraying is the character, and these are not my actions or my words in any capacity, right? As an actor, I'm a vessel. I'm just portraying what's on paper. So you shouldn't take it too seriously. I mean, at the end of the day, we're just a bunch of people wearing makeup and acting in front of the camera. So yeah, it's okay. That's cool. Yeah.
See, Tandoor was a project that we wanted our image to be, because ज़्यादातर ये सोचा जाता है कि अगर उल्लू है तो ये सिर्फ edgy content ही बनाते होंगे. But what we wanted with Tandoor was that, we wanted to show people that we have a lot of other good shows that are coming up. हमने इसमें जितनी भी पूरी टीम है उसको बहुत selectively pick करा था. We had really done a lot of research for, the actors we would want to cast, the director we would want to have on board. And the basic idea was that, once we have a good team, because this is a flagship show for us, and we wanted to actually change the perception that people think about Ullu. So with Tandoor, we have a lot of other shows which are coming with really good names, people from the industry. So for us, Tandoor, coming back to your question, Tandoor is something which जिसमें हम सबकी बहुत मेहनत लगी हुई है, हमारी बहुत सारी बहस भी है on a professional front, which is a healthy professional thing. But yes, we are really looking forward for this show. बहुत मेहनत करी है, चाहे वो चैनल हो गया, चाहे वो एक्टर्स हैं, आर्ट डायरेक्टर्स, आर प्रोड्यूसर्स, को प्रोड्यूसर्स, everybody has really worked hard, and inshallah we'll have good results. That's what we are looking forward for. इनिशियली करना पड़ता था, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, इनिशियली करना पड़ता था जहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था, बिकॉज all said and done, हमारा bread and butter was edgy content. We all know that we started from there, so I will not try to hide it. But हाँ, धीरे धीरे perception change हुआ, हमने बहुत अच्छे shows बनाए, बहुत सारे actors आए, हमने जो content भी लिया for requisition, that was also, जब हम बना बनाए content लेते हैं, उसमें भी बहुत से actors आए, जब हम नया content बना रहे थे, अब बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस ऐसा हो गया कि अब जब हम एक्टर्स के पास जाते हैं तो उनको इतना हिच नहीं होता है करने में, इफ द स्टोरी इज़ नाइस, इफ, और आजकल एक्टर्स का भी थोड़ा आई थिंक थॉट प्रोसेस इवॉल्व हो गया है, एंड दे ऑल्सो लुक फॉर गुड स्क्रिप्ट्स, गुड जहाँ पे उनका कैलिबर और उठ के बाहर आता है. सो प्लेटफॉर्म्स, आई अग्री, पहले वॉज अ इनिशियल प्रॉब्लम, बट नाउ we really have really good names which I would not want to disclose right now, but yes, now we don't face any kind of problem wherein for actors or anybody else we are good, we are in a good space, thankfully.
What do you have to say about your character, and how do you kind of choose your next project? Any checklist that you have?
I honestly, for me, very important is the script and the director. Rest of the thing is not, I'm not saying it's not important, but for me, what is more important and for me to take a decision becomes more easy and convenient is the script. अगर आपकी script ही अच्छी नहीं है तो फिर वो मतलब नहीं बनता है. And director, because only the one person who can tell you what exactly is the story and execution and everything. उसके बाद एक्टर्स इट्स लाइक अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अगर बहुत अच्छे मिल गए जैसे तनुज जी जैसे में जाते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है, यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, ही इज लाइक अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. तो आपका काम और इजी हो जाता है. एंड या एक्चुअली I will not say more about why I have chosen this. Yes, of course, आपने बहुत सारे अनुमान ऑलरेडी इतने सारे लगा चुके हैं लोग. इट इज़ अ मर्डर मिस्ट्री थ्रिलर, एट द एंड हस्बैंड एक्सेप्ट भी करते हैं, बट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट हाउ डिड ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपन. एंड अबाउट पलक, शी इज एब्सोल्युटली fearless, शी इज इंडिपेंडेंट, शी इज ambitious, and if I see in 90s, that was my childhood. My mother, मेरी mom तो teacher थी, उसके बावजूद उनको इतनी freedom नहीं होती थी. And if I see the Palak at that time, then I think I should say that कि वो perfect ideal बन सकती थी अगर उन्हें मौका मिलता तो. But destiny has some other plans, so she left. या मुझे ज़्यादातर नर्वसनेस ऑनेस्टली किरदार निभाते वक्त डेफिनेटली होती है। आप एक्चुअली अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में बहुत अलग होते हो और जब आप ऑन सेट जाते हो यू डोंट नो हाउ मच कोऑपरेशन यू आर गोना गेट, आपको कितनी सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है वो आप जानते हो। बट मेरे हिस्से में हमेशा मुझे टीम बहुत अच्छी मिलती है। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद अ गुड एक्टर, even the best friend who played Ayaz, Amit his name is, he was also a very good actor, and more important, कहीं भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना पड़ा। एडजस्टमेंट अरे नहीं है ये वो पॉसिबल इफ बट नहीं होता। टीवी में और ओटीटी में फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना ही है कि आप हर एक फ्रेम को बहुत क्लोज में देखते हो टीवी में, बट ओटीटी में यू कैन सी द प्रॉपर पिक्चर एंड यू कनेक्ट विद इट प्रॉपरली। दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस एंड इट्स मोर ब्यूटिफुल। एंड द बेस्ट इज आपके पास टाइम होता है तो आप परफॉर्म भी अगर करना चाहते हो, आप रिक्वेस्ट भी करो, तो एवरीबडी विल सपोर्ट यू एट दैट मोमेंट।
हम्म। वेल फर्स्टली थैंक यू। हाँ, सच बात तो है कि यार जब मैं पहले इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखा था तो इट वाज क्वाइट अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड फॉर 2-3 साल जो भी थे, एंड देन लकली OTTs स्टार्टेड गैदरिंग मोमेंटम और बिकॉज ऑफ इनसाइड एज मुझे थोड़ा काम मिला, राइट। बट पहले मैं क्या करता था, आई थिंक गलती थी कि मैं परफॉर्म करते समय भी आई वॉज ऑलवेज फोकस्ड ऑन द रिजल्ट कि यार लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्रिटिक्स क्या कहेंगे, बॉक्स ऑफिस पे चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, इसके बाद काम मिलेगा। सो आई वॉज जस्ट स्ट्रेसिंग माई सेल्फ आउट अबाउट दोज थिंग्स, एंड आफ्टर अ पॉइंट आई रियलाइज कि जब अगर आप सिर्फ अपने काम पे फोकस करोगे और उस पर ध्यान दोगे, देन यू आर फोकसिंग ओनली ऑन योर प्रोसेस एंड नॉट द रिजल्ट। सो you'll have also more fun and you're not too concerned about that because honestly इतने सारे permutations और combinations आ जाते हैं, जब चाहे आप एक फिल्म में काम करो या एक शो पे काम करो, so I try and enjoy myself a lot more now, चाहे मैं ऐसा रोल प्ले कर रहा हूँ या it could be something light hearted, boy next door, whatever it is, so I think when you have more fun on screen and you enjoy playing that character more, the audience also enjoys it more. So yeah.
Honestly, I'm loving the change. And पहले भी women oriented आई है. Mother India, if you see, it's totally women oriented. Silsila, if you see, it's about 2 women. It's women oriented. और अब फिल्में और OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स और टीवी तो खैर women dominating है. तो अब मुझे ऐसे लगता है that we have more मतलब अभी हम ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. We are not just there to romance. We are not just there to show that how pretty we are all the time. We have performances. We can explore the other stuff. अब एक्शन भी करने लग गए हैं, अब रोमांटिक भी करने लग, अब लड़के भी छेड़ने लग गए हैं. So I'm loving this new change and I think I will also enjoy. क्या होगा कैसे होगा मैं ये सब नहीं सोचती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं अपनी मर्जी से और मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है मैं वो करती हूँ. तो अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो आई विल वर्क मोर हार्ड, अगर नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, ऑडियंस को नहीं पसंद आएगा, आई विल हैव समथिंग एल्स टू एक्सप्लोर. लेट्स सी.
Hi Rashmi, how are you?
वेरी वेल.
The trailer looks promising, guys. It's amazing. Congratulations to the entire team. Tanuj, Rashmi, I want to ask you one thing. जब भी बात होती है तंदूर कांड की, it's embedded in Indian history, crime के नाम पर. How much did it really affect your mind? आप mentally, how did you even cope up to perform those? तनुज, आपसे पहले पूछना चाहूंगी रश्मि ने.
जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा, आई मीन आई वुडंट से द स्टोरी अफेक्टेड मी ऑनेस्टली बिकॉज तो ये प्रोजेक्ट साइन करने से पहले मैं ऑनेस्टली इस कांड के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ जानता नहीं रहा बिकॉज 1995 आई वॉज जस्ट अ little kid back then. But then because of the internet, you can do a lot of research and study what exactly went down. So of course it is very upsetting as a story. But जब मैं कोई भी character play करता हूँ और चुनता हूँ तो I don't look at him as black, white, grey. I don't judge the character. बिकॉज फिर आप सर्टन इनहिबिशंस के साथ वो कैरेक्टर प्ले करोगे. तो फॉर मी this guy is the hero of his own story. From where he's coming, he has his motivations, he has his reasoning. Sahi nahi hai, but I have to think of it as that person. I have to honor what that character is trying to speak. Because if I start getting Tanuj into it and my own rationale into it, then it will be kind of, na idhar na udhar. So that's the thing. So it was not upsetting while performing. Yeah, of course, sometimes when you read these things, you're like, कैसे लोग हैं, ऐसे भी होता है, what kind of world are we living in? It's scary, and I think it has gotten progressively worse. That was 95. You're talking about 2021. I think because of the internet, social media, and everything. तो अगर आज ऐसा कुछ होता, तो it would have got even a lot more traction, right? But yeah, I tend to blank out when I'm performing. It's give every shot, every take like it is your last one, and then pack up and go home and chill out. So don't think too much.
Honestly, I was not aware of Tandoor Kand. जब निवी मैम से बात भी हुई थी, so she did not mention anything about the script or the story that she's working on, but she told me that I am looking for something very realistic and original. And let's see ये trip कैसा जाएगा. That was the only sentence that she said. And I was anyway very big, huge fan of her. Because working in television, I've seen her work pattern and the style, and उनका काम ही इतना बोलता है, तो मैंने बोला हो सकता है. But when she gave me the brief, I actually started reading all the articles. तो मैं बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो गई थी, क्योंकि आप मर्डर और रेप और चोरी चकारी आए दिन सुनते हो, लेकिन you are getting killed by your own lover whom you love the most, और वो आपको जाके तंदूर में जला देता है, which is very disturbing actually. और प्यार के लिए तो लोग बहुत कुछ कर जाते हैं, दुनिया भी छोड़ जाते हैं, तो but this was very unreal for me, and still I cannot accept the fact that कि husband ने genuinely अगर ये शुरू भी हो, ये सुनने में ही बहुत अजीब लगता है कि बीवी को तंदूर में डाल के जला दिया, तो वो बहुत डिस्टर्बिंग था. एंड मैं उस सीन में भी नहीं थी, तो मुझे नहीं पता इन्होंने शूट भी कैसे किया, बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर व्हेन यू आर नॉट दैट पर्सन बट यू आर प्लेइंग दैट, यू नीड टू हैव दैट सर्टन काइंड ऑफ मेंटेलिटी एंड दैट मेंटल स्टेट हैज टू बी करेक्ट, एंड ही इज वेरी वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. तो मैंने वो कुछ क्लिप्स देखे थे, ब्यूटिफुली शॉट, एंड ही परफॉर्म सो मैं बता नहीं सकती. आई थिंक फॉर दैट यू नीड टू सी इट प्रॉपर्ली. आप वेब बताइए, अब देखकर बताइएगा कि आपको कैसा लगा ये देखकर.
जी, किसी को तंदूर में डाल के उन्हें जलाना? भाई आप तो मुझे जानते हो यार, ऐसे कैसे सवाल पूछते हो? नहीं यार, जिस बिकॉज मैं नॉन वेजिटेरियन हूँ, ऐसे सवाल मत पूछो यार. नहीं, बट no, I don't think मैं ऐसा कभी, no, प्लीज मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे आइडियाज मत दो, बट no, that's it. Yeah.
I love you. And I'll take all the cameras to Tandoor also now. Okay, jokes apart. But no, definitely बहुत mentally बहुत disturb करता है. ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं आप accept ही नहीं कर पाते हो. Society wise आपको acceptable नहीं होती है. But as an actor, when you play it, it's very disturbing. बहुत disturb करता है. आप उस वक्त सिर्फ अपनी एक्टिंग के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे होते हो. आप काम नहीं कर रहे होते हो. आपके कैमराज आपको आगे पीछे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. आप उस किरदार को निभा रहे होते हो, और वो किरदार आप नहीं होकर कोई और बनकर आप कर रहे हो. सो इट्स मेंटली वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग टू प्ले सर्टन कैरेक्टर. So heads off to Tanuj, the way he's done it.